This is the flushable wipe challenge. We've come to you today to give you a little experiment to show you what to and not to flush down your toilets. We have a leading brand of flushable wipes, and we also have a leading brand of toilet paper.
Hi, I'm Joseph. You must know my grandfather, TJ. So he's from Plumbing Helper.
304-525-3208.
And we'll be doing an experiment of what and what not to flush down your toilets. We're going to put 2 of these objects in the water for at least 1 minute. And so in this 1 minute, it will show how these 2 both break down.
We have regular toilet paper. Show them where the regular toilet paper is, Joseph.
Right here.
Okay, and we have the flushable wipes. Pick up the package and show that to them. Leading brand. And if you see right on the package itself, it says flushable wipes. We're going to put that to the test.
Okay.
Joseph, if you would open the package of flushable wipes.
Okay. So we're going to open it here.
Mm-hmm.
From the seal. Open that board up. Open that. So we're going to take some.
1 or 2. Doesn't matter. Just 1 or 2.
Okay. So
Let me see that there's 1 or 2.
1 or 2, yeah. And then we're going to put both of these in this bottle.
Uh-huh. Now we're going to set the timer on the stove.
For 1 minute.
Set the timer there. Go to timer. And go to up here. It should be just 1 minute. All right. And hit start. And I want you to take the spoon. It's already started. Take the white spoon there and stir the toilet. Stir the flushable wipes.
So guys, this might be it flushing down the toilet. Up here.
Now this is your flushable wipes in the toilet. Keep going. You got 45 seconds to go. We have 30 seconds left. Keep turning it. Twist it hard, Joseph.
This is going to take forever to flush down the toilet here.
We are doing this in one cut, so you see that there is nothing being changed. 20 seconds to go.
It's a tornado in here. It's a water spout.
Looking good, looking good. 8, 7, 6, 5. No, don't make a mess. 4, 3, 2, 1. There you stop. Okay, use your spoon and see if you can pull up the flushable wipe. Oh, look at that. It comes up pretty much in one piece. Look at that. Okay, now put that down in there. All right, now we're going to move over here to the toilet paper.
This is half the sugar.
And I want you to get you a nice little water toilet. Now, get a little bit more than that. Get a nice little hand water toilet paper like you were going to use if you're using the bathroom.
So, this is going to dissolve, I hope.
And then we're going to put that into the water.
Get in there.
And wait a minute, set your timer again for 1 minute. And begin. Now again, we're doing this for 1 minute.
No cutouts.
Just simply stirring, no cutouts.
One scene. No editing.
All one scene, no editing.
Oh, and we all already see that it's not ending up really good so far. It's like, ew. It's going to become paper water. Oh, no.
I think that's kind of what we're looking for. 30 seconds to go.
Make a mess, but stir it hard enough so it could be like a real toilet, right? Toilets don't make a mess.
No, they don't make a mess unless they leak, and that you call Plumbing Helper. 525-3208.
And they'll be sure to hook you up.
That's exactly right.
Look, it's just dissolving this.
We're at 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I got a little toilet water on.
All right, now stop. Now use your spoon and try to pick that up.
No, well, that's not happening.
Look at that. It is
look at this, guys. So no, you can't get that up.
Let's show that again. Show that again. Look how that has broken apart into many little pieces and will easily flush down your toilet. That is flushable.
And then watch this.
Look at this. After it's set over here and soaked another entire minute.
I even can run it in and it still won't.
So, Joseph, do you think that would clog up your toilet if you used it?
Yeah, you'll probably have to call a plumbing helper.
And what's that phone number? 304-525-3208. Can you say it again for him?
304
525 3208. All right. And what do you think about our experiment, Mr. Joseph? Did we prove it?
Yeah, you proved it. So let's not flush this. So this is what we should flush down our toilet paper. But we shouldn't flushable wipes. I don't know why it's called flushable wipes. You're not supposed to flush down the wipes.
That's it.